Alright, today I got my hands on this new Alpine GT4 Phaser by Kyosho. It's supposed to be fast out of the box, but I know it's brushed, so I'll probably be changing that out like today and put a hobby wings motor in there, brushless. Alright, but I still want to give it an initial run, so gotta check it out. Got it running on 2S. This is the remote to it. Looks pretty nice. Like something to come with my armor. That's good. I'm left-handed, so it's perfect. Not today. I can tell it's got a little power, but I need more. Ooh. Still good. Still pretty, but we're gonna put some more power in it.
What's that? You name your dots? Why are all my dots so loud? I know you're not that Morales. Play down.
Good. Okay, so orange to C. Wait.
One of the best burgers I've ever had. In my universe, this place closed 6 years ago. I don't know why. I really don't. You have money, right? I'm not very liquid right now.
Can we focus?
Sure.
The other Peter,
You ready that? I'm listening.
the other Peter said he was going to be showing me the ropes. Wow. You got any Spider-Man tips you can tell me now?
Yeah, funny. Disinfect the mess. You're going to want to use baby powder in the soup, heavy on the joints. You don't want any shaking, right?
Anything else?
Nope, that was everything.
I think you're going to be a bad teacher.
Look up where Alchemax is.
Private Technological Campus in Hudson Valley, New
Okay.
York. You can teach me to swing on the way there.
I'm not swinging to the Hudson Valley. I'm not after a hearty burger breakfast. You like fresh. Yeah, take it with you. And it's no cake.
I think it's cool.
Take that off. It's disrespectful. Spider-Man doesn't wear a cake.
So how do we retrace Peter's steps?
That's a good question. What would I do if I were me? Go. Step 1, I infiltrate the lab. 2, find the head scientist computer.
That lady's the right hand scientist. I saw her in the government in school.
Cool. Step 9, I examine the personal box.
Ah.
Step 4, I hack the computer.
It's not technically hacking.
Hold on, I just lost my train of thought. Step 5, download the books. You know when I sit. Step 6, grab a bagel from the cafeteria and run.
So what am I doing?
Step 7, you stay here. We're looking very important.
Look, man, you gotta teach me how to do Spider-Man stuff. Or I'm not gonna be able to help.
Watch the water down. Please don't get it.
Make sure everything's not touching it.
That's new.
Okay, now I'm gonna put an extra bead, clean it up. So this is cleaning it. Okay, nice. Put a big, nice. Hmm?
Sit there and just let Spider-Man die without doing anything about it. I'm not doing that again. What? Those people need to look to try to kill me, so let's change the pace.
Mr. Fisk, if we layer again this week, there could be a black hole underwater. You see this? And this? This is multiple dimensions.
This is pretty standard for my section. You soon. Watch this. He's gonna say, you've got 24 hours. You've got 24 hours.
In the space-time continuum.
Ooh, actually, everything she said was bad. I like it.
Okay. Now.
What are you doing, bud? Oh!
Wait. God. That, oh my God, that thing is gonna be super fast. The wheels are ballooning. Oh my God. Huh. Alright, I just gotta hook the lights up. Okay. Got a fan on blowing. Nice. This is nice. Okay, let me clean it up. Okay, so this is after putting the hot wing motor in here. You guys see? And a lot of soldering. Very fast. Almost uncontrollable. Oh man. Okay, I'm switching brands. Kyosho is the SHIT shit. Man, this has been the most fun I've had in a minute with an RC. So I'm definitely gonna start investing in some Kyosho brands. My HPIs are old anyway, and I don't even think they make them anymore. Then I have Traxxas and Arma, but this was fun. I'm building a Tamiya, but the parts are so small and they always mess up. So I think I'm gonna start trying out these Kyoshos. And I like the bodies on this. Body is just beautiful. You can't beat this. Look at that. And they took a beating out there because I'm rough on my cars and it almost went in the gutter. But this is a beautiful car, especially when you swap out the motor and put the Hoppy Wing motor in there. It's a good motor, the little $17 motor that comes in it, but it's not the best. And it's brushed. So you want to go brushless with a car like this. You can't show up to no track with no stock motor with this, the way it looks. But thanks for watching. Have a good one.